may si brother day. Hello. Kami sa Santa Ana Port. Yes. Naman na itinerary ako tour guide. And ang first stop is Lincoln Island. Yeah, for you. 24 seconds and it's starting right. So, kami. Mabuhay ug madyaw.
Welcome to Coral Garden.
Uy, asa naman.
Ay, wow! Sorry ba? Ay, Coral Garden. Di ko abot sila Coral Garden pa? Really, ikaw to na. Waited. Okay. Sige, sabi sa Coral Garden. Awa dira! Oy! Awa dira! Oy! Uy, bulikat! Awa dira! 1, 2, 3. Mabuhay ug madyaw. Welcome to Coral Garden.
Located at Barangay Dadatan, Lincoln Island.
The Coral Garden has 4 kilometers stretch.
Which you can find 52 types of coral reefs.
One. Di-play na ako niya.
We promise mo ko sali.
1, 2, 3.
Ano, isunti na to. Ano, isunti
na.
Ayun.
Ano na, go, go. Asa to first batch?
What was that? Okay, James.
We're going to...
Vanishing Island.
Vanishing Island. Guys, super... Wala na siya.
YouTube, unfortunate second.
Yes. Pero Coral Garden, no? Yeah! Coral Garden is a very 10 out of 10. Guys, did you know na nakakita ng dolphin? Yes, we're going to, ano po ito? Kalayang. Saan guys? Padala ka unang stop. Kalayang ba? Kalayang. Hindi nakapicture ka ganito.
One, our recommendation is Coral Garden. Kaya dapat, pwede lang
Diving gear. Tapos
Like,
goggles, guys.
ay siya pa.
Like,
present ni mong
para pag hindi mo makita yung mga coral. Bilagay ito ang coral type.
Ano, tama ba? 53
types of coral.
Gabi na guys, karoon tayo, gawin namin sa Vanishing Island, pero wala naman na muna kita ng Vanishing Island, baka nag-vanish.
Literally siya na-vanish, guys. Vanish siya na-vanish.
Pero unta guys, mauman na mo ni mga staff guys, kay na!
So, unsay ma-advise ninyo sa mag-travel, mag-island hopping?
Guys, pag-island hopping mo ka ng adlaw, ha?
Guys,
Check your weather, guys. Check ang weather before.
weather forecast, dapat on time, dili late.
Tama! Ala! Ala na!
Ay, joke na gano'n na yun.
Tapos dapat mag-check muna.
Weather update,
Yeah, update. Ibagyo kami din ang upan na.
So guys, we are here at
What's up?
So guys, so guys, our last stop destination is the Starfish Shack.
Sige.
Balik. Balik that. 1, 2, 3, go. So guys, this is our last stop destination. This is the Starfish Sanctuary. This is located in Adicor, Kaputian District. This is also near in Pearl Farm. farm resort. Di ba siguro resort dahil?
Resort daw eh.
Pearl Farm Beach Resort.
Asa ba? So, guys, kami ko dun sa last stop na mo, which is the Surface Sanctuary. And kanina lugar is dili ni mo makakuhaan o ka ng surface. Kaya, first of all, lalong kayo siya. And the next is bawal sa ginapagamitan. So, makainan tayo makuha. So, kaning area kay daghan og surface pwede lang makita. So, let's check kung budget. Go! Ano na